Hi guys, so I have two glasses full of water. So the glass on the left is full of cold water. The glass on the right is full of hot water. And I'm gonna drop in some food coloring. So I didn't have any food coloring, so I'm actually using water flavoring instead because it'll work the same way. And so when I drop this water flavoring into the cold water and the hot water, I want you to predict what is going to happen. So I'm going to try and drop them at the same time, and I want you to predict what is going to happen when I drop it into the cold water, what will happen when I drop it into the hot water. So make sure that you're making your prediction, and you want to pause the video now to make your prediction. Okay, so now that you've got your prediction and you've explained it, I'm going to drop in my cold water and to my hot water, and we're going to see what happens. So I'm going to drop in a few drops into each my cold water and my hot water. So I've got a squirt there and a squirt here. So we want to take our observations about what's happening in the cold water versus what's happening in the hot water. Remember, cold water is on the left, hot water is on the right. So what's happening in the cold water versus what's happening in the hot water. And I'll add just one more little squirt so you can see what's happening in the cold water and what's happening in the hot water. So we want to write that down into our observations, and then we want to try and explain our observations.